Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you can receive Bybit account emails and SMS. This verifies identity channels. Next, find your original 2FA backup code or saved secret. This is how you restore keys fast. If you don't have it, install Google Authenticator or Aegis on the device you'll use and make sure the app is updated. Once done, sign in to Bybit on a secure network and navigate to security settings so you're ready to perform the transfer or reset steps. If you have the backup code, open Google Authenticator and choose Add Account, enter the secret or scan the QR from Bybit to resync codes. This restores login tokens immediately. If the backup is lost, request a 2FA reset in Bybit security. You'll be guided through identity verification. Provide clear photos of your government ID and a recent selfie holding the ID. This proves ownership. Make sure to follow on-screen cropping instructions and keep your phone stable while submitting documents. Once Bybit confirms identity or you've re-added the account, enable the new Google Authenticator key and immediately save the new backup codes in a secure password manager or offline storage. This prevents repeat lockouts. Then test by logging out and logging back and using the generated 6-digit code to verify everything functions. If something goes wrong, codes not accepted or verification stalled, open Bybit support, provide your verification ticket number, and request escalation. Keep screenshots and timestamps to speed troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.